Okay, so this is lecture number 4. Here we'll discuss how to construct the DFA, which is starting with some string. Okay, so first we'll say starting with 0 and second we'll say starting with 1 0, both the examples. See here I have written finite automata NFA and DFA. Why? Because every DFA is NFA. So whether the question is construct FA, NFA or DFA, you just draw the DFA, it will be the correct answer because every DFA is a NFA. So if you draw the DFA, that will be NFA only. Okay, so don't get confused. Whatever may be the question, draw the DFA only. Correct. So first we'll see the first one, the string starting with 0. Okay, so here we have one thing is sure, the inputs are 0 and 1, that is sigma. Now let's write down the language. So first we'll see all the strings starting with 0. So what is the shortest string that it will accept, which is starting with 0. So 0 is the shortest string it will accept. Then I can have 0 1, then I can have 0 0 also, then I can have 0 1 1 also. Anything which starts with 0, that it will accept. The only thing is the string should starts with 0. Correct. Now come, this is the shortest string. So first draw the basic structure which is starting with 0. So this is the basic structure, okay, which is starting with 0. Let's say it is P, it is Q, and this will be final set. So this is the basic structure which is starting with 0. Now let's convert it into a DFA. Now see, from P I have transition of 0, so I required 1 transition of 1. From Q there is no 0, there is no 1, so I required 0 and 1. Okay, so let's start from P. Okay, so from P I required 1 first, means I required 1. So after this 1, find out what string you will require so you can reach to the final state. After this 1, if I got 0, then only I can reach to the final state. No, sorry, wrong. It is starting with 0. Okay, so it is starting with 0. After this one, what I require, so I can reach to the final state. After this one, if I got 0, so it is starting with 1 0. Okay, so it is not possible. After this one, if I got 1, so it is 1 1, so it will reach to the final state. So if any string starts with 1, that should not reach to the final state. Correct, because it is starting with 0. So any string starting with 1 should not reach to the final state. So I can't give 1 here because it will be 1 0, then it is starting with 1. I can't give 1 here because it will accept single 1. Okay, so whenever the question is all about starting with 0, that means the transition of 1 will go to the trap states. Okay, so you will have one more state, you will have a transition of 1 there, and the transition of 0 and 1 will be to the self. Let's say it is R. Why? Because any string starts with 1 should not be accepted, so it will stop here only. Correct. Okay, so 1 is given. Now come here, Q. Okay, now how you will reach to the state Q? After taking 0. Okay, then only you can reach to state Q. Now after this 0, let's give 0. If I got this 0, I need to give this 0. Okay, so see, if I want to give this 0, so the string is 0 0, it means it needs to stop on final state only. Why? Because it is starting with 0. So after this 0, if I got 0, so it is 0 0, and 0 0 should stop at final state only. Where is the final state? This one. So 0 will be here. Now let's take 1. So you reach to the Q by taking 0. So after this 0, if I got 1, so it is 0 1. Again 0 1 should stop at final state. Why? Because it is starting with 0 only. Okay, so 0 1 should reach at final state. So where this one will be? This one will be on Q again. So it is 0 1. So this is the final automata starting with 0. Let's check second. Okay, starting with 1 0. Language is, the shortest is 1 0, then I can have 1 0 0, then I can have 1 0 1, and so on. The only necessary thing is it should start with 1 0. Okay, so what is the shortest? Shortest is 1. Okay, and then I have 0. So this will be final state. Let's say it is P Q R. Okay, now here I required 0, here I required 1, here I required 0 and 1. Correct. So now let's give a transition of 0 from state P. Okay, now see, I need to give transition of 0 from state P. So after this 0, whatever I get, that should not be accepted. Why? because it will start with 0, it will not start with 1 0. So after this 0, whatever string I got, that should not be accepted, that should not be reached to the final state, so it will go to the trap state. Let's say it is S. So 0 and 1 will be trap state, will be there only. So this is my 0. Now come to Q. I required 1. Now how you will reach to Q? You will reach to Q after taking 1. And now you need to give a transition of 1 again. So after 1, if I got 1, so it will start with 1 1. So after this, if anything I have, that should not be accepted. Why? Because it is starting with 1 1 now. Okay, so that should not be accepted. So then if it should not be accepted after this one, if I got 0 or 1, that should not be accepted. So this one will also go to trap state. Correct? Now come to R. How you will reach to R? By taking 1 0. Now you required first 0. So after this 1 0, if I got 0, so it is starting with 1. So where it should stop? It should stop at final state only. So this will be 0. Okay. After this 1 0, now let's give for 1. If I got 1, so it is 1 0 1, and it is starting with 1 0. So where it should stop? It should stop at final state only. So 1 will be on final state. So this is a DFA which is starting with 1 0, right?